Okay, so for chapter 1, this is review question number 9. And it's on page, let's just see here. So it's on page 61. And it says, prove. Okay, so remember, proving is not just giving multiple examples. Proving is actually using representations, variables, expressions to characterize the answer. Okay, so prove that the product, so that's multiplying two odd integers. Okay, so the product of two odd integers is always odd. Okay. All right, so I'm going to freeze that for you. So again, what we need to do is to prove, we need to write expressions for these things, to carry out the operations, and then to examine the nature of that expression answer. So prove that the product that's multiplying of two odd integers. So remember, an odd integer is simply characterized by 2n plus 1. So 2n would be even. If you take an even number and add 1, you always get an odd number. So 2n plus 1 times 2n plus 1. Now, these are two odd integers. They happen to be the same odd integer, I guess, because we're using n. So you could do 2n plus 1 times 2n plus 1. Or you could do two different odd integers, 2n plus 1 and 2n plus 3, let's say, because that's the next odd integer if you want. You don't have to, but let's see what happens when we multiply this. We get 4n squared plus 4n plus 1. Now you look at that and you say, that doesn't look like an odd or an even anything, but remember what the pattern for an odd number is. Just let me finish this before you go. So I can take, if I could take a 2 out of this first pairing and left with some number, 2n squared plus 2n plus 1, notice that I have a pattern of an odd integer. I have 2 times some number plus 1. So because the nature of this answer fits the form of an odd number, then that's enough to prove, okay? So 2 times some number plus 1 is the characterization of our answer. So that's enough to prove, because I've rewritten the solution in the format or the form of what an odd integer looks like.
It doesn't matter if the number is bracket.
It doesn't matter, this doesn't matter what's in here, as long as this is a number. And if you do anything to n, you add 2n squared plus 2n, that's still a number. So that's still like another, that's like a number at n. Okay? Okay, you guys are dismissed. Take care. See you later. Remember, test tomorrow. Finish your homework. Study hard.